Hey, I'm Lauren Beck. I'm super excited to dive a little deeper and show you some techniques that I use with my Crayola adult coloring products. In this next technique, we're going to explore blending two colors together. One tip I'd like to give you is to choose two colors that sit naturally next to each other. When you're starting your two-color blend, begin with your lighter alcohol marker and fill most of the space in here. Then when you're ready to add the other color, you're going to add it in the other areas around that color, but you're going to make them touch in the center. These alcohol markers do dry quickly, so I'd like you to move at a quicker pace. And you will notice that there is a big difference between the two colors, but we are going to fix that with some techniques. Now I go back to my original base color, my first color, the yellow, and I'm going to come in here and overlap that color into the orange. You might notice right on the page this is about to happen. It's basically making a smoother transition between the two colors and creating a beautiful effect to make it look more 3D and more interesting. I like to go back over with many passes and sort of push the ink around on the marker paper. Now you're going to bring back your second color in and keep blending to make those transitions really nice. What's really cool about alcohol markers is that when you put them down on the paper, they saturate the paper and soak in. And so you'll continue to see this blending happening as it's drying. So I like to go back and forth as many times as it takes. So you can rework this over and over again, but I want to remind you that this is simply one piece to the overall artwork. So don't obsess too much about what you're doing. It's gonna look great when the whole thing comes together. And that's how you blend two colors together with your alcohol markers. Keep experimenting and try new blends and find what you like. Happy creating!